Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel MomGudy Days, and today we are traveling to my sister's place because she has delivered a baby. And yeah, we are planning on a 10-day trip, so I thought like this is the right time for me to show you guys like how I pack my things for me and Avir in an organized way. I actually believe that, the more organized we keep our things in the luggage, the less messier it's going to turn out in the place where we go. Before I show you the things that I've packed, I would like to tell you about one thing which has helped me immensely in this direction over the years, and definitely it's something which I recommend for you to pack things while you travel. It's nothing but the packaging cube, and the one which I'm talking about is one from the Fat Mug. This is something which is going to help you to organize your things while you travel. It also comes with a mesh which makes it easier for you to know like what things have you kept in this particular bag. And yeah, I must tell you, the quality is amazing. It comes of various sizes, so based on your requirement you can go ahead and buy. The one which I'm showing currently is the medium one. From the smaller size it will look something like this, and then I have one from a larger size as well. You can keep your kurtis and the big size dresses in this. Instead of piling up a lot of clothes, you can organize and keep it. In fact, you can also keep comparatively a more number of clothes when you use this one. So now that you know about this, so let's quickly get into the packing. Let's get started. So I'm carrying two trolleys out here. One is the big one and the smaller one, and also I'm carrying a diaper bag. This section I've kept completely mine, and this section is Avir's. This is the packaging cube that I was talking about, and it also comes with a handle like this, so you can even take it whenever you need it. This I have kept all my daily wears. This section has got pants, and this section has got the tops, and these are the things which I can use it when I go out, some dresses and some tops. And here I've kept a box which actually has got earrings which I would need. So here we have got our waist dresses. So basically here you can see these are all the pant section, these are all the short section, and here I've kept all his full arm shirts, and these are all the half slack shirts. And this section I have kept his towels. In this I have all his sweatshirts, and this is one a kurti I've taken for him, and then the pants which he can wear it outside. So moving on to this section. In this section I have got Avid's toys, color tracker which he always wants to play, and this is the puzzles, and here also some Peppa Pig puzzles I've taken. These are the stimulation cards which I am taking it for my sister's son. These make a huge difference in the way they focus, and this helps to improve their focus, their memory, and the learning abilities. So this is what I had used when Avir was young. I have also spoken about it in detail in my how to read to your babies. I'll link it up for you guys in the description section. Go take a look. In this section I have got, these are all the things which we need for bath, like the toothpaste, toothbrush, shampoo. I'll be soon making a video on what products I use for Avir. And this is this medicine kit where I've kept all that is needed, the immediate requirements. I've spoken about what all I carry in another video. Please go take a look if you want to know what all I carry in detail. This is my skincare section, and this is my makeup things. Let me show you what I have in it. I have some brushes here, and perfumes, and sunscreen, and this is the cleansing balm. And this mostly contains lipsticks and eyeliner and kajal, and that's it. So this is pretty much what I need: a sunscreen and a lipstick and a eyeliner, some brushes and an highlighter here. In this I have kept my most favorite skincare products. I'm just gonna show you what are all here. And yeah, what I do for the oil based things, I usually carry pouches like this. Even if it spills out, it will remain inside because inside there is a plastic packaging here. So oils and all, I'll carry it in something like this. So I have my body lotion, my moisturizer, some facial oil. I'll talk about this. Stay tuned for that. There are some amazing skincare products which I've tried recently and which I've been trying in 2020. I'm going to talk about it, so stay tuned for that. I'll also have to add some of his favorite toys out here. With that, I'll be pretty much done. And here I'm still left with my pants and lingerie. Now let's see what gets into the diaper bag. I keep all the immediate requirements in the diaper bag and keep it along with me. First, I'm going to keep his hot flask where I've kept his warm water. Wet wipes goes here. Mosquito gel if we need it. So I'm going to keep it here. Right at the bottom goes this extra cloth because if it's going to sleep, so I'm just going to spread that. Why I'm keeping it right below there, you might be wondering like how will I access that one whenever needed. I'm going to show you. That's the beauty of this bag. A piece of napkin, his favorite board books. These are the board books which will keep him engaged throughout the journey, so I'm going to keep it wherever it is accessible easily. So I'm going to keep it in these pouches. This is the one from Soy Store. This is actually a wipe and clean cards. This keeps him engaged. So these are the ones which I usually carry it when I travel. Favorite book these days. This is more of a look and fun. This can keep him engaged for a long time. Extra pair of clothes. Usually I carry a pair of clothes in case anything needed. And then one tumbler. And then his favorite toys. I've kept it in a Ziploc cover. That also I'm keeping it. And then some snacks to munch on. Mighty Puffs from the Slurp Farm. The front side mostly I will keep my phone and my charger and this cute little mirror. Now this is pretty much what I keep in the diaper bag. Along with this, I'll also add a lunch which you will be taking and then a fruit as well. Then in the zip, I'll keep whatever the spoons or the straws that is needed. Like I told you, there is one zip over here if you open it. So this gives the access to the deepest part of the bag. So we'll be able to pull this one. That's the reason I've kept it right below there. So that's it. Then the diaper bag is ready to travel. So with that, we have come to the end of the video. I hope you found the video useful. If so, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel because I'm going to come up with lots and lots of informative videos. And having said that, as I always say, cherish every moment of your motherhood. Take care. See ya. Bye-bye.